Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about Business Rules Engine in Omni Studio. Business Rules Engine is a set of tools that allows you to perform advanced logic and calculations as well as complex business automations. It does have three tools which you can see right here. First, expression set, second, decision matrix, and third, decision table. First, we are going to talk about decision metrics and decision tables, which are called lookup tables. Lookup tables are generally the tables in which you give some input and in return you get some output. So first of all, what is the difference between decision matrix and decision table? So for decision table, you can provide one or more inputs and get only one output. Whereas in decision tables, you can provide one or more inputs and get one or more outputs as well. Now we are going to talk about expression set. Expression set is a kind of tool that allows you to build complex calculations, the condition logics and aggregations, and it also allows you to use the decision matrix or decision tables to provide the inputs in them and get the output from them. And further, if you want to perform the calculation on that data, that also you can do using expression set. To understand Business Rules Engine, we are going to take an example. So let's say I have an account object which represent to the B2B customers for my organization, and I have the partner levels for each account. So I have three partner levels. One is silver, one is gold, and one is platinum. And based on the level, I provide the discount percentage to my B2B customers. So let's say for silver, I provide 10% discount, for gold, I provide 20%, and for platinum, I provide 30% discount. So we are gonna build a screen, whether using a screen flow or using an Omni script. We are gonna provide a screen to end user to select the level of the partner, and on click of a button, we are gonna run the business rule to provide that partner level information to an expression set and get the percentage of the discount as well as the resultant final price. Let's say we give a base price of a product, let's say 1,000, and based on the level which we select for a partner, we are gonna get the resultant or the appropriate discount for that partner from the lookup tables, and we are gonna calculate the final price for that product for the specific account. Okay, so let's begin with creating a decision matrix first. So here I am on a developer org in which Omni Studio is installed. So to go to the Business Rules Engine application, you just have to go to app launcher, and search for Business Rules Engine. In the Business Rules Engine, you have three objects, you can say. One is lookup tables, one is expression set templates, and one is expression sets. Expression set templates are nothing but you can define the templates that you can use whenever you are creating an expression set. So you won't be needing to create the expression set every time from scratch. Okay, so first we are gonna create a lookup table which is of type decision matrix. So I'm gonna click new. You can see there are two options available. One is decision matrix and one is decision table. In our example, we just have a partner level and respective discount. So one input we are giving and one output we are getting. So we can use decision matrix over here. So I'm selecting that and I'm clicking next. I need to give a name to it. So I'm saying partner level discount decision matrix. Okay, and the type I'm giving as a standard. If you have a scenario where you want to group the rows as well, then you can use the grouped type of the decision matrix, but we do not have that condition, so we are gonna go with the standard, and I will just save it. Now once it is saved, you need to go to related, and under the decision matrix versions related list, click on the version which is created. Now you are on the decision matrix, and below screen you can see the screen to upload CSV file, which would be having the records of the criterias, or you can simply create the columns by yourself and add the rows in this decision matrix directly from this console. So I'm just gonna click on add column, and first column I'm giving, as per our scenario, partner level. It is the type of input which means we are going to input partner level in this decision matrix to get the discount out of it. Okay, partner level would be type of text. I'm gonna add one more column over here, that would be discount, and that is the type of output, and the data type would be %. Okay, click done. Now you can see your table does have 2 columns, and now we are gonna add rows in it. So click on add rows. So we need 3 rows over here. I'm giving partner level as silver, gold, and platinum. Okay, and for silver I'm giving the discount as 10%. For gold I'm giving discount as 20%, and for platinum I'm giving discount as 30%. Once you have provided the values, you need to click on save. Once saved, just click on the refresh icon, and you will be seeing the records which you have inserted in your decision matrix table. So this basically represents the criteria over here. If your account's partner level is gold, then it will give you 10%, sorry, it will give you 20% in the output. If it is platinum, then 30%. If it is silver, then 10%. So it's gonna work like that. So once that is done, you have to click on edit, and you have to enable this decision matrix. Now on this page you see one thing, that is you can provide the end date for this matrix as well. So let's say your discounts are changing on quarterly basis, so you can use start date and end date for the versions which are going to be used, and you can create separate versions for separate quarters, and you can provide the end date over there. So whichever, based upon the date, it's going to use the current version or the correct version of the decision matrix. Okay, so there you can make use of end date time. There is also one field, that is the rank. So rank is basically, if you see here, we have version number as well as rank. So version number is, this is first version. If you create another version, that would be having second version and third and so on. But what is the meaning of rank over here? So let's say we were talking about separate versions for each quarter, and let's say for 2 quarters your dates are collapsing. Okay, there, if because if the dates are collapsing, that means both versions are could be used for the calculation purpose, but we need to provide the rank over here, and based upon the topmost rank, it's gonna take that version for use. Okay, so that basically if your dates are collapsing, then rank would determine which version is going to be used for calculations or for fetching the data out of this decision matrix. Okay, we do not have grouping, so we do not need group key or subgroup key value, so I'm just gonna save it. All right, so now our decision matrix is created. It does have the data which is going to work as the criterias, and it is enabled as well. Now second task would be to create an expression set, because this table is giving me only the discount percentage. It is not doing any calculation or any minus or percentage. It is not taking it out. Okay, so for that I'm gonna create an expression set. Again, I'll click on this drop down, and I will click on expression set. Okay, so from this drop down, I will click on new, and I'm gonna provide the name as partner level discount expression set. Okay, And usage type, we do have only default option, so I'm gonna use default. Click save. Once it is saved, you are on the expression set console. Again, similarly on expression set versions, go to the version which is created, and on that version top right corner you can see open in expression set builder quick action. Click on it and it will open the builder in the adjacent tab. Okay, so this is the expression tab builder. Now we are gonna our first step would be to get the data, to get the discount out of this decision matrix. Out of this decision matrix. Yes. Okay, so where is our matrix? Yeah, loyalty. No, not this one. Yeah, this one. Partner level discount. No, this is expression set. Let me just open it again. Partner level decision matrix. This is our matrix, and I will just go to this version. Okay. All right. So first step would be to get the discount from this table in expression set. So go to the left side, you can see some options over here. First is for the elements that you can use. So you can use aggregate, aggregate group, branch, calculation, condition, condition group, lookup table, sub expression. Okay, sub expression is nothing but you're calling another expression set and you're passing some input and getting some output out of that. Second option is for the resource manager. You can create the variables, constants by using the add resource option. Okay. Third is for some settings of this expression set, some properties. Similarly, start time, ended time, version and rank as well. Active status is no, because we haven't activated it yet. And the last option is about the details of the element which we are going to use. So that I'm gonna talk in the last, when our expression set configuration is completed. Okay, so first I'm gonna go to elements, and our first step is to get the data or get the discount out of the lookup table. So I'm gonna put drag and drop lookup table over here, and I'm gonna search for the name of the lookup table which we have created, partner level discount decision matrix. You can see the summary of it over here, that partner level is the input variable and output is the discount. Okay, so now we have got the discount from this. Next thing is we want to first we want to generate the discounted price using the base price. So base price into the discount percentage is gonna give you the discounted amount, and we are gonna minus that discounted amount from the base price to get the final price. Okay, so first I'm gonna go to resource and I'm gonna create first constant, that is going to be the base price. Okay, and the data type would be currency, decimal places 2, and amount I'm giving 1000, default value I'm giving 1000. Click done, and two more variables I'm going to create. Okay, one variable is the discounted price, and the data type would be currency, and no default value I'm giving over here, decimal places 2 is fine. Click done, and one more variable for the final price. Okay, similarly type currency, decimal places 2. Click done. Once that is done, below this lookup table element, I'm gonna add one more element, and I'm gonna use calculation over here. Okay, and we need to provide the formula, so I'm gonna use base price into is an operator, and I'm gonna use this output of this lookup table. So start typing partner level discount, so it is giving the percentage as the output. Okay, so if I just scroll down, partner level discount decision matrix discount, so the output of this is this, which is in the format of percentage. So all I have to do is multiply it with the base price. It's gonna give me the discounted price. So output variable we need to define, so we have already created discounted price as the variable, so I'm just gonna select that. Once that is done, I do have the discounted price, but I do not yet have the final price. So all I have to do is minus this or subtract this discounted price from the base price. So I'm just gonna click on plus icon again, and I'm gonna use calculation element again over here, and I'm gonna use base price minus operator, and I'm gonna use discounted price variable over here, and the result of it would go to the final price variable. Okay, so once everything is done, now we have all the elements in place, which is first going to give the input of partner level in the discount matrix and get the discount out of it. Then it's gonna calculate the discounted price, then it's gonna calculate the final price. Okay, once everything is done, all you have to do is save this expression set. Once it is saved and there is no error, you can stimulate it or simulate it. Okay, so click on simulate, and on the left side in the variables, just give a partner level. Okay, so for silver, what we have defined, if you see here, for silver 10% discount is there. Click on simulate. Alright, everything on all three elements green check mark has come. That means everything is working properly. And if you will see over here, that partner level discount has given the output as 10%, which is the for silver, and the input variable partner level was silver, and this calculation has calculated on 10% on 1000, which is 100, and this has calculated the difference between the base price and the discounted price. So final price we have received as 900. Okay, and on the left side you can see the JSON as well. So this kind of JSON is going as input, partner level is going silver, and this is kind of output we are getting. Okay, so now our okay, let's try for one more value just to make sure. So if I'm giving gold, for gold we have 20% discount, and if you can see, the final price has come as 800. So that is working fine. Okay, now we need to activate this expression set. So I'll just click on the back button, and I'm going to activate it. Okay, there is one error, and as I talked earlier, that rank also we need to provide. Okay, so it says that enter a valid rank for this. So go to the setting, and here rank field is blank, so I'm just giving first because this is only for first version of it. Okay, I'm going to save it again, and let's activate it again. Okay, it's not okay. Yeah, one more thing, this last item I talked about. Okay, and I said we are going to talk about once we have defined or we have configured all the elements. So this is about what you are giving as the output from this expression set. So we can use these elements to provide the resultant. Let's say if I select this third element, and if I check this check over here on the left side, include in output, that means this expression set is going to give me the final price only. If I select this one and check this one, that means it's going to give me discounted price as well as final price, which we have already selected. And if I select this one as well, include in output, then I can even use the input variable, output variable from this lookup table as well. So we are going to use all these three in the output, because on the screen, when end user is selecting the partner level of the account, then we are going to show all the values to the end user. What was the level of the account, what was the discount which has been given, what was the discounted price, and what was the final price. Okay, so for that purpose I'm using every element as include in output. So now let's save it again, and let's activate it. This time it got activated. We have provided rank as well as we have provided the output elements as well. So far we have created a decision matrix, and we have created an expression set. Now it's time to create some screen for end user to provide the partner level and get the resultant price or get the final price. So for that we have two options which we can go through. One is ScreenFlow and one is OmniScript. Okay, so in this lecture I'm going to cover ScreenFlow, and in next lecture we are going to cover via OmniScript, because we need to create an integration procedure as well to pass the partner label to this expression set and get the resultant output out of it. So in this video we are gonna cover flow. So I'm just going to setup and I'm gonna search for flows, click on it and new flow, and we are gonna create a screen flow. We are gonna provide a pick list to end user, and based on the partner level end user is selecting, we are going to get the final price and discount and every other details. Okay, so screen flow, click create. So first element I'm going to give as a screen. Let me give it a name as partner level discount screen. Okay, and header I'm including. In the footer I am only including the custom label for the next button. So I'm just saying get final price. Make sense? Okay, and previous I'm hiding and pause also I'm hiding. All right, now on this screen we need to provide a pick list for end user to select the level of the partner. So from the left side, from the list of components, I'm going to drag and drop pick list component over here. I'm giving the name here as partner level. Okay, and I'm going to provide the choices over here, and I'm going the value as silver, create silver choice, add choice, similar for gold, again add choice, and platinum. Okay, so our pick list now have 3 values and the API of the pick list is partner level. Okay, click done. So once end user has selected the partner level and clicked on the get final price, we are gonna call an action. So I'm clicking on action element over here, and I'm going to search for our expression set. So all I have to search for partner, and this is our expression set. Okay, and I'm giving the name over here partner level discount expression set action. Okay, and I need to provide the partner level to it. Okay, because that is the input we need to provide in order to get the discount and resultant price. So here I'm gonna use the partner level pick list which we have defined in the previous screen. Okay, and click done. That's it. And once this action has been performed, we have given the partner level to our expression set, and it further went into the decision matrix, got the discount, and all the calculations we have done in expression set, we are going to get the output out of it. So that output we are going to showcase in a summary again in a screen. So I'm just going to select a screen and I'm giving it a name as summary. Okay, and header is fine. In the footer all I'm giving is the finish, no previous and no pause needed, and I'm going to use display text element over here, and I'm giving it a name as summary text, let's say. So now we need to give the outputs over here. So first output would be, let's say, base price. Okay, and that we are taking as 1000, which is a constant. Then we need to show the partner level. Okay, and for this partner level I am using the pick list value partner level which we have defined in the first screen of this flow. Then we need to provide the discount, and let me say %. Okay, so again I will go to insert a resource and use the action which we have defined in the previous step, and we can use this partner level discount, okay, so whatever expression it has given, so that is basically the output, which if I show here in the expression set, that is this element which is giving the input of level and getting the output as discount. Okay, now we need to show the discounted price. Okay, and again I'm gonna use this action and discounted price variable over here, and then we need to show the final price, which is very important. So again I'm going to use this action and final price variable I'm going to use. So everything, all the details we are going to show in the summary. And okay, so base price, partner level, discount percentage, discounted price, and final price. I'm just going to click done, and let me save this screen flow. Let me give as a name as partner level discount screen flow. All right, let's save it and let's debug it. All right, let debug console load. Okay, it is loaded. Now in the debug flow, just click run, and you can see a pick list over here which has the values of silver, gold, and partner. Let me select silver, and let's click on get final price. All right, the magic has happened here. You can see we have all the details. The base price is 1000, the partner level is silver, discount percentage for silver is 10%. If you can see over here in the matrix, for silver we have 10%, discounted price 1000, 10% of 1000 is 100, and final price is 900. All right, let's run it again for another value for gold. Let's see. So you can see the discount percentage is changed, discounted price is changed, and final price is changed as well. So that means our flow is working. Let's try for last value for platinum as well, and we are giving 30% discount to our platinum partners, and the final price for them is 700. If you see on the right side, you can see what are the things happening here. So this is the first thing, you are giving the partner level to this action. Okay, this expression set you are giving the partner level as platinum, and it is giving output as the final price, the discount, and the discounted price, because in the expression set we have selected all three elements over here. Okay, so that is basically how you can use the how you can run the business rules from a flow, and how you can set the business rules using the expression set and decision matrix. In the next lecture we are going to perform the same thing, but instead of a flow we are going to use OmniScript for end user to select the partner level and get the summary out of it, and to call the expression set and give input as partner level and get output as discount percentage and prices, we are gonna use integration procedures. So that is a kind of lengthy procedure, so that's why I'm going to cover that in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.